In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Klaviyo account ID. Whether you're setting up integrations or customizing your email campaigns, knowing where to find your account ID can be crucial. So let's dive in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you're new to Klaviyo or perhaps just getting back into it, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your account name. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account. Next, from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. The Settings area is essentially the control center for your account, where you can tweak various configurations to suit your needs. It's the place where you manage everything from your email preferences to more technical elements like API keys. Once you're in the Settings section, look for a tab labeled API Keys. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to connecting Klaviyo with other platforms or applications. Clicking on the API Keys tab will take you to a page that lists all your API credentials. Now, what you're looking for here is the public API key, which is often referred to as the site ID. This key is crucial because it acts as an identifier for your account, especially when integrating with other services. It's important to note that this key is public, so it's safe to share when required by third-party applications. And there you have it. That's how you find your Klaviyo account ID. Remember, this process is not only simple, but also essential for ensuring that your integrations work smoothly and your campaigns are set up correctly. If you ever need to revisit this process, feel free to come back to this video. Finding your Klaviyo account ID is a straightforward task once you know where to look, and now you do. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Klaviyo and other digital tools. Thanks for watching, and happy Klaviyoing!